Hello everyone, this is Repairman China Yang. We are going to show you for iPhone 15 Pro CPU repair today. Let's have a look. So I used the YCS, my new product I produced. But you can see how to operate separate CPU. So let's hold on the CPU well. Right now we use the IE hot gun to separate the CPU directly. So first, preheating. Right now, I used for 45 temperature and the air flow is 92. So this is up to you. You like the natural temperature, you can set up with your natural temperature. If you like high temperature to separate, then you can use the high temperature. We have the square nozzle for the IE hot gun so that you don't need to move your hands. So when the temperature arrived, then you just take off the CPU directly. So use the covered mode. That will be very easily and protect the CPU, won't damage it. And we can put the CPU on the universal model at here, and you can also put on the top. Yeah. See, every year you can clean the CPU, the glue. Use a brush. I like use this plastic brush that will be softly, that won't damage the CPU and won't miss the pin. I use the 10 mm nozzle, and when temperature arrived, then just use the brush to clean the glue. You can see that is very easily. I used the hot gun like point and take away, point, take away, point the CPU, take away. Then that will be very safely, very safe and fast way. So you need to practice with your control your hands with your tools. Okay, almost finished. How long do you need to take to clean the CPU glue? You can leave your comments at below. I didn't tie up the CPU very tightly. Why not? Because when the high temperature gives to the CPU, why CPU won't fall when it is smooth? That's because our model, I did the design for the CPU. It can move but cannot fall down. It will be give the CPU high temperature protect. Because when the high temperature on, the CPU will be get hot. So that's very easy for this part. I use for the YCS-210 blade, and you also can use for your own blade. Okay. This one I share with you is more easily and faster. I just use the hot gun to preheating to help the blade, the solder blade, 210. This one it will show you the motherboard test after I turn on the board. In the future, we will keep sharing iPhone, Android, and off CPU and other repair work.